Top 6 Best Plastic Welders. Number 1. Master Appliance Pro Heat Series Plastic Welding Kit.
Introducing the Master Pro Heat Plastic Welding Kit. It makes fabricating and repairing thermoplastics fast and simple. The heart of this system is the Master Pro Heat LCD heat gun. Dial-in control lets you set temperature and airflow, which can be locked in with an innovative magnetic key locking feature. Each kit is a self-contained general-purpose plastic welding system with everything needed for hot air welding, a wide variety of thermoplastic materials. A heavy-duty storage case also contains these items: a speed welding tip, a tacking tip, 2 reducers, a shrink attachment, an instruction manual, and 5 starter welding rod assortments for practice. Here are a few popular applications this kit can be used on: pendulum welding, welding flooring material, plastic bumper repair, as well as on a wide variety of other thermoplastic materials. The Master Pro Heat Welding Kit, a professional set of tools to repair your parts.
Number 2. GoHome 1600W Hot Air Gun. The GoHome 1600W plastic welder packs a lot of power in a small package. It is lightweight, with minimal vibration, making it easier to keep precision on long projects. Your hand won't go numb or get tired while using this welder. Its temperature is able to be adjusted from 86 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 1292 degrees Fahrenheit, making it useful for a wide variety of plastic welding needs. A temperature scale is printed on the welder for quick reference. The kit includes a user manual, a 20mm slot nozzle, a 40mm slot nozzle, a pressure silicone roller, and a spare heating core, in addition to the hot air welder. The cord is long enough to make using this plastic welder gun convenient, even when outlets aren't close by. The included carrying case is designed like a small toolbox with a lift-out tray. It is large enough to store your welder and its pieces, as well as any extra reinforcement mesh, welding rods, and more. This hot air welder is great for use on industrial materials and for home repairs. Number 3. Weldy 1600W Professional. Highlighted features: professional grade build quality and performance. Wide option for heat selection. Suitable for all types of job sites. If you are a fan of professional grade tools and want to purchase a professional grade hot air plastic welder gun kit, maybe you'll love this one from Weldy. Coming with a robust and compact design, this hot air tool allows you to work on versatile types of elements, including plastics and PVCs. I like the variety of heat levels it comes with. You can adjust the heat level from as low as 40 degrees Celsius to as high as 700 degrees Celsius. No matter which heat option you choose, this industry standard tool will supply the best quality with the efficient result. It comes with a comfortable grip that allows you to handle the tool easily. Besides, for your protection, it comes with a heat tube protection feature. This tool is handy and reliable. So, while using the tool, the risk of hand pain is relatively low. It is manufactured for supporting for all job sites, as it is a professional grade. As a result, even if you are a professional, you can use it without any hesitation. This plastic welder tool comes with a box for comfortable carrying and storing. The box includes Energy HT 1600, 120mm wide slot nozzle, 140mm wide slot nozzle, and a silicone pressure roller. Number 4. Dewalt D26960K Heavy Duty. If you're looking for an advanced and powerful plastic welding tool to complete your welding project with perfection, you should go for the Dewalt heat gun. With lots of amazing features and advanced functionality, it becomes one of the most popular products on the market. The overall weight of this device is just 2.3 pounds, which makes this device very lightweight and easy to hold. It has built-in overload protection to protect your project from accidental burn-up. Heating elements automatically shut when it gets excessively hot. Besides that, the device has an LCD monitor to watch and adjust the temperature within 150 to 1100 degrees Fahrenheit. Even the cord of this device is also protected to save it from tearing away from the device's housing. The device has built-in hang rings that allow you to store the device safely and conveniently. Moreover, it also included an innovative kickstand to increase the stability of this device and prevent tip-over. Number 5. Bondic Liquid Plastic Welder.
For generations, we're used to adhesives that are a product that cure with air or over time, and Bondic's completely different. It's revolutionary in that it's liquid plastic, and you determine when you want it to cure, and you do that with a UV light in 4 seconds.
Glues work by sticking two flat surfaces together. Bondic gives you that unique ability to be able to rebuild shapes and sizes. And instead of sticking two pieces together, you can weld around them or literally just rebuild them.
Anyone can use Bondic because it comes in a little tube. You squeeze that tube, it comes out like honey, it's thick, and you can move it around, you can position it, you can use gravity to let it hang and change shape, and then only when you're ready, you press that UV light and you cure it. And immediately after those 4 seconds, you can literally file it, sand it, drill it, paint it, mold it, shape it, do all kinds of things. So in lay terms, plastic is something that's referred to in science as a polymer. And polymer is nothing but a chain of molecules that have organized themselves and tightened up. And that's the hard plastic that you get.
So imagine these monomers as blue and red balls in a tub of water. They're all floating around and they're trying to naturally attract to each other, but they can't do so because of the fluid stopping them. So when the user shines a UV light onto the fluid, it breaks down the fluid, allowing the monomer compounds to come together, creating a polymer chain, which is in turn plastic. The need for quicker and more efficient repairs is there, and with Bondic, we're trying to bring this to the world and make it happen.
Number 6. Beyond Life Plastic Hot Air Welder. The Beyond Life Plastic Hot Air Welder has a max output of 1,600 watts and 8 temperature settings. A guide printed on the welder offers a quick temperature reference, so you can be sure you're using the right setting. The airflow is also adjustable. Even hard plastics will soften easily. This plastic welder gun is great for even the toughest of welding jobs, like fiberglass repairs on boats or vehicles. The kit includes the welder, a user manual, a pressure roller, a round speed welding nozzle, a triangle speed welding nozzle, and welding rods. It is small but powerful and is useful for long-term projects where a heavier welder would become uncomfortable to use. Minimum vibration adds to this comfort by preventing hand numbness and allowing a more precise weld.